Good evening once again. This is the Senior High Honors Choir of Faith Baptist. This is the choir that practices at 7:30 in the morning. While we're still driving, we are singing already. So, but we thank the Lord for giving us an opportunity to have another choir on that schedule. And they sing different songs from the Senior High Choir. The first song that we would like to share you is a dry run of what we will be singing in the spring concert because I want this song with live trumpets, but it didn't work out, so I see a mom looking at her son. But this song is with you can hear at the very beginning the Spanish flair. So we would like to sing for you Cantar Alegría.